Hi there fellow travelers around the world, welcome to Fast Moon Media. Hi, this is Vinny and welcome to Fast Moon Media. Here are some details of my biography so you'll get to know me. 5 things that I can't live without: my bike, running shoes, vitamins, mobile phone and DSLR as I take souvenirs a lot. I really like listening to jazz and classical music, early music like Renaissance and Baroque. I like traveling a lot. Asia has always been my favorite destination. I like reading history, ethnography, and language groups. I watch movies just to have a leisure since I spend most of my time outdoor. I'm also attracted to Asian food. Amazing food with a special mention of bún chả Vietnam, kari ayam of Malaysia, khao soi in Thailand, and okonomiyaki of Japan. I have been to many accommodations like hostels, B&B and homestays as guests. I really like backpacking because I tend to move easily with this style of traveling. Back to Fast Moon Media. Today I'm heading to White Zone. Just a few days ago I was in Sukhumvit area and just figured out that I've got some couple of technical problems in my bicycle. So now is the right time to have it fixed. I don't want to go out. I'm not really safe with my bicycle, so for safety purposes I really just have to bring my bicycle here in the bike shop. It's a bit expensive because it's a specialized bicycle, but then again, this is better. It's also an investment because if I'm gonna just pick up accessories that are not really matched and compatible with my bicycle, then there's no chance really of fixing the bicycle and giving really solution to the problem. So I don't want to complicate my life anymore. So this is the problem with my bicycle. This is the, you can see that this is the original screw, and the other day while biking, the right hand of the brake just snapped. It's out of nowhere. So that was the problem while biking, heading to Udom Sok. Yeah, so I lose control of my back brake, but I still have my front brake, so that was the one working. But see, along the way that could lead to an accident, so really I'm trying to get rid of accidents, so that's why I needed to have this really fixed today. Finally I'm here in one of the many authorized Cervelo brands. My bicycle is a Cervelo. Cervelo are quite specialized also on time trial bikes, and so my bike is one type of time trial bike. So let's check what's gonna happen today. They will be fixing it. So I'm here inside the bike shop now, and they're currently installing the 2 lever. And well, the nice thing about the lever, it's a branded lever, so I think that would justify the actual price, because I thought it was the same brand that was actually installed in my bicycle. But when I look at the brand, it's actually Botanger. Botanger is one of the strongest brands for bicycle and bicycle accessories. Botanger is also known for specialized bicycles. And so going back to my bicycle, so it's been almost a year now since I had checked my bicycle for tune-up, and that was last year when I had my 70.3 Ironman race back in Cebu. And since then, never had a chance to actually have it checked up, because I'm not very familiar of the bicycle shops here in Bangkok. I have visited a couple of bike shops here in Bangkok. Provide is one of those, but because I'm not really sure if they're specialized with the brand that I'm actually currently using, I just ended up actually here because this is an authorized Cervelo, and I just want to be sure about how they go about it, because they're the authorized brand for my bicycle. Well, by the way, Cervelo is actually a Canadian brand, and I bought my bicycle since 2016. It's been already almost 5 years, so I'm still really happy because it's pretty sturdy. Because I think Cervelo is one of the strongest brands in the market, and I would like to believe that it's been already like 5 years, and I never had so much changes with my bicycle. Really sturdy, and I had already 3 races of 70.3 Ironman back in the Philippines and one duathlon race. I've been planning also to visit Chiang Mai in a couple of weeks. Hopefully after this pandemic, I can schedule another not really training, which is a bike ride, because I do a lot of bike rides in Chiang Mai, and I know the route. I'm still interested to discover some of the bicycle routes in Chiang Mai, and hopefully I can visit Chiang Mai. And not only that, because it's just my favorite place. So riding down the outside the city is very, very interesting, because there are tons of really beautiful places that you can actually see around this beautiful region, main South. So that area is really my preferred area. Bangkok is another thing. I mean, I cannot really compare Bangkok, because Bangkok is a huge city, and so nothing much really to see here in terms really of nature. Again, I'm a very nature person, so I don't really look forward to seeing a lot of buildings around. But this is the nature of Bangkok, which I really have to adopt. And there's nothing wrong about it, because this is where I'm currently based and where I'm currently working. And so, looking up some repairs, they're actually to the lever. This is the reason why I'm here. Have it replaced. They're also replacing the cable, because it's been already what ages since I had my bicycle. Had it checked, and that was again last year, as I mentioned earlier. So yes, the mechanic said that I really have to change and be very mindful of some of the accessories, because it's like a car, and you have to frequently bring your bicycle to have it checked, give a better maintenance of the bicycle. It's perfect to have this really fixed, so it's okay. I'm not worried anymore. It's a bit pricey, but it's okay. I'm paying for the right price for this. So this is it. This is the brand that I ordered. It's from Bangkok. Over here. Got my bicycle. I got my brand new lever, buttoner over here, and over here. So I'm really happy. And I paid also for the new cable over here. So they just installed new cable, and one also for my tire, because the back tire is really old. So again, to avoid accidents, I have to have it replaced. for safety purposes. And I'm really happy that my bicycle is back in shape. So this is really good to go for another training, just in case I'm preparing for another race, Ironman race. Then I will just have to change this back wheel into a racing wheel, because this one is not really intended for the race. So, or more than anything else, I'm really happy that I was able to have it fixed today. It's okay to just pay one time, so I don't have to come back. And second, at least you get to discover something, whether your bicycle is still in good shape or not. So that's one thing of really the advantage of bringing your bicycle in a bike shop, because you get to, you know, consult the other accessories that you will have to change, because again, bicycles are like cars. You have to frequently check them all the time to keep your bicycle really in good shape. So I think that is the essence of really having your bicycle bring to your bike mechanic at least twice a year. I used to have that back in Philippines because I do a lot of trainings. The race is really coming, and that's where I am using a lot my bicycle. So I have a different wheel set for my training and a different wheel set for my race. So there you go. So at the moment I'll have to stop and just look for a place where I can grab a snack. Okay, see ya, bye. Once again, this is Vinny. For more update and content of my journey, please don't forget to subscribe to Fast Moon Media. Ciao!